Hello, and welcome to Mez Holistic Health. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of mindful gardening and its incredible benefits for mental health. Imagine a sanctuary where you can escape the chaos of everyday life, reconnect with nature, and nurture your mind. That's what mindful gardening offers. This practice combines traditional gardening with mindfulness, allowing you to be fully present in each moment, reducing stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. One of the key benefits is the reduction of cortisol levels, the stress hormone. As you tend to your plants, you're not just growing flowers and vegetables, you're cultivating a serene mind. The rhythmic acts of weeding, planting, and watering become meditative, offering a form of active mindfulness. Research shows that spending time in nature enhances mood, increases cognitive function, and promotes a sense of well-being. Mindful gardening also connects you to the cycle of life, fostering patience and appreciation for the present moment. Plus, the physical activity involved boosts endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. So, grab your gloves, step into your garden, and let it be your natural therapy. Join our community, subscribe to our channel, and let's nurture our minds and gardens together. Stay tuned for more holistic health tips.